This question is asking, a patient with high blood pressure who weighs 225 pounds is put on a diet to lose 25 pounds in 3 months. The patient loses 8 3/4 pounds the first month and 11 5/8 pounds the second month. How much weight must be lost in the third month for his goal to be achieved? So when looking at this problem, don't worry about how much the patient weighs of 225 pounds. Focus more on he has to lose 25 pounds in 3 months. So in the first month, he loses 8 3/4 pounds. In the second month, he loses 11 5/8 pounds. But we don't know how much he needs to lose in the third month, but it needs to equal up to 25 pounds because he needs to lose 25 pounds in 3 months. So for any number that we don't know, generally we would put the letter X as an unknown. Because in the first month he loses 8 pounds and 3/4, 8 over 3/4 pounds, 11 over 5/8 pounds, and we don't know what he loses in the third month, but it's going to equal to 25. So now that we have this all set up, what we're going to do is we're going to solve for X. Now what I mean by solve for X is that I'm going to put X on one side and put everything else on the opposite side. Before I start moving things over, what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine these two numbers first. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make these two numbers into improper fractions. So 8 times 4 is going to give me 32. 32 plus 3 is going to give me 35. So it's going to be 35 over 4. And then here, 11 times 8 is going to give me 88. Plus 5 is going to give me 93 over 8. So now I need to find a common denominator between these two. The common denominator between these two is 8. 8 can go into 8 one time, and 8 can go into 4. 4 can go into 8 two times. So I need to multiply this by 2, and whatever I do at the bottom, I also have to do at the top. So I can bring 93 over 8 down because it's already at the common denominator. But 35 times 2 is going to give me 70. 4 times 2 is going to give me 8. So from here I have 70 over 8 plus 93 over 8. And I'm going to add these two together. So 70 plus 93 is going to give me 163 over 8 plus x equals 25. So now I have 163 over 8 plus x equals 25. And like I said before, we're solving for x, so we're going to bring this fraction over to the other side. How we're going to do that is we're going to subtract by 163 over 8 on this side and do the same thing on the opposite side. So I subtracted 163 over 8 on this side, which cancels this out. And I subtract by 163 over 8 on this side, so it's going to be x equals 25 minus 163 over 8. From here, we know that whole numbers are all over 1, so we're going to find the common denominator between 25 over 1 minus 163 over 8. And the common denominator is going to be 8. So I'm going to multiply the bottom by 8, but I'm also going to multiply the top by 8 as well. So 1 times 8 gives me 8. 25 times 8 gives me 200. And then minus 163 over 8. So now we're going to subtract 200 minus 163. So 200 minus 163 is going to give us 37 over 8. So x equals 37 over 8. And that's how much extra weight that person needs to lose, the patient needs to lose, in order to reach his goal of 25 pounds. So Let's make this into a proper fraction. So 8 can go into 37 4 times with a remainder of 5. So 8 can go into 37 4 times with a remainder of 5. So he needs to lose 4 pounds and 5/8. And this is going to be my final answer.